How to change email address on Minecraft account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing the email address associated with your Minecraft account. So since Microsoft now owns Minecraft, your Minecraft account is linked to your Microsoft account. So changing your Minecraft email means changing your Microsoft account email, and the process is generally the same. So you need to go to minecraft.net and then log into your account. After that, tap on the account from the top right corner of the screen and then go to profile. Now this will open your profile section. Now click on account, which is between realms and redeem. And here you will see the option of login at account.microsoft.com. And this will take you to account.microsoft.com. You may need to sign in again. And once you're logged in, tap on your info section from the left hand side of this screen, and now go to account info section and then tap on email address. There you will see your specific email address which is associated with your account. Tap on edit account info, tap in your password, and then enter the new email address that you want to use and follow the verification steps. So that's it. Your Microsoft or the Minecraft email address will then be updated, and that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.